In this video, we will explain how to solve this decoupled system. The reason it is a decoupled system is because the second function only has the function y. It doesn't have the function x. We are looking for x and y, but the second function only involves the y function. Then we solve that first, and it's separation of variables. Then this is 3 cosine of 2t dt, and we integrate and we get that y is the antiderivative of 3 cosine of 2t dt, and therefore y is just 3/2 sine of 2t plus c2. Remember, we can check the answer. The derivative of sine of 2t is 2. I cancel this 2 cosine of 2t, and the 3 stays there. And then this is the solution for this differential equation. We replace that here, and then we get that dx dt equal 4 times x plus y plus 3/2 sine of 2t plus c2. This is a non-homogeneous equation. This is the non-homogeneous part. Then the solution is x equal the solution of the homogeneous plus the particular solution. To find the solution of the homogeneous, we make this equal 0. We end up with dx dt equal 4x, and the solution for dx dt equal 4x is c1 e to the 4t. And to find the particular solution, we look for something of the form of the same form as the non-homogeneous. Then we need to invite the function sine of 2t, a sine of 2t, but remember that the function sine of 2t is always together with the function cosine of 2t, and if you invite sine of 2t, you need to invite his friend, which is b cosine of 2t. And here we have just a constant. Then this is, I'm going to call this c. That is that we have so far, we have c. We are looking now for capital C. Let's make this a capital C, a and b. And the c1 and c2 are going to show up in the answer. Then we want this to be a solution of this differential equation. What do? We take the derivative. The derivative of this function is 2a cosine of 2t minus 2b sine of 2t. The derivative, we want the derivative to be equal to 4 times the function, but this is the function, a sine of 2t plus b cosine of 2t plus capital C plus 3/2 sine of 2t plus c2. We have this equation. Remember, we are looking for capital A, capital B, and capital C. We can't do like coefficients to set up equations. What is the coefficient of cosine of 2t on the left? On the left, we have 2a. What else do we have? Nothing else. And what is the coefficient of cosine of 2t on the right? When I multiply this, I get 4b, right? Now, let's find the coefficient of sine of 2t. Coefficient of sine of 2t. On the left, we have negative 2b, and on the right, we have 4a plus 3/2. And now, what is the constant coefficient? Constant coefficient is on the left is 0, and on the right is 4 times capital C plus C2. Okay, let me write here what we have so far. The x is C1 e to the 4t, and we are just waiting for the particular solution. Right? Then from here we get that C is just negative C2 over 4. Then we have already capital C. we need to find A and B. Let me rewrite those two equations here. We have that, let's say 2B minus A equals 0, right? 2B minus A equals 0. And here we have, let's move this to the right, and I have 2A, right? 2A dividing by 2, I don't know, dividing by 2 is 2A plus B, B plus 2A equal negative 3/4, right? I divided by 2. Okay, is that correct? I move the variables to the right and the negative 3/2 to the left, but I divide everything by 2. Then if I want to solve this, I can multiply by 2. If I multiply this equation by 2 and add, then I will get 5B equal to negative 3/4, and that means that B is negative 3 over 20. Okay, once we have that B is negative 3 over 20, then what is A? From here, A is equal to 2B. That means that A is negative 3 over 10. That means that the solution for X is the solution of the homogeneous, which is this, plus the particular. But this is the particular. But now we know A, this is minus 3 over 10 cosine of 2t plus B, which is minus 3 over 20 sine of 2t plus capital C minus C2 over 4. This is my X, and the function Y was already here. Let me rewrite it so that we have the two solutions. The function Y is 3/2 sine of 2t plus C2. Then this is the function X, this is the function Y, and that's the general solution of this decoupled system. Okay, this is it with this example.